3, 2, 1.
From which country does Bull's Blood wine originate? The answer is B, Hungary. What is the general shape of centrioles? The answer is D, rod. I'm a massive structure in space, invisible but with gravity. What am I? The answer is A, black hole. Mechanical energy can also usually be expressed as the sum of kinetic energy and what other kind of energy? The answer is D, potential energy. Which item helps to keep pencils organized in a box? The answer is C, divider. What do we call the scientific study of heredity and hereditary variation? The answer is D, genetics. Which famous person was born on October 25, 1912 in Hamilton, Ontario? The answer is A, Jack Kent Cooke. What was the first car to break the sound barrier? The answer is D, Sonic automobile. Which substance has the chemical formula H3PO4? The answer is B, phosphoric acid. Dills are used to breathe water by what? The answer is A, salmon. Who plays Indiana Jones' friend, Marcus Brody, who is a museum curator? The answer is B, Denholm Elliott. What is a colander typically used for? The answer is D, straining liquids. Which actor said the line "That's okay, I don't shop here"? The answer is D, Sylvester Stallone in Cobra. Which item has a thin, cylindrical body and an erasable tip? The answer is D, eraser. What is a piece of furniture that has drawers and a flat surface? The answer is B, dresser. Which telescope is often referred to as the Eye of NASA? The answer is A, Hubble Space Telescope. What type of footwear features a thick sole and is often associated with sailors? The answer is B, boots. The terms ahimsa and satyagraha are generally associated with whom? The answer is D, Mahatma Gandhi. The theory of evolution by what and other processes explains both the diversity of organisms and how populations of organisms change over time. The answer is A, natural selection. Which type of chair has a high back and arms? The answer is A, armchair. Which is the largest desert by area in Asia? The answer is A, Gobi Desert. Which author wrote A Hero of Our Time? The answer is B, Mikhail Lermontov. I am a force that grows stronger as it travels. What am I? The answer is C, thunder. Which Disney character is known as the Little Mermaid? The answer is A, Ariel. The ratio of length, breadth, and height of a cube is 2:3:4. What is the volume of the cube? The answer is A, 8 cubic units. I'm not alive, but I live. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? The answer is B, electricity. Colorado, the 38th U.S. state, attained statehood in what year? The answer is C, 1876. What substance are physical objects are made of? The answer is A, matter. What type of reaction occurs when hydrogen and oxygen combine? The answer is A, exothermic. I have the longest coastline, but I'm not an island. What am I? The answer is D, Australia. In the sport of figure skating, what is the term for a jump which includes a 1/2 extra rotation, generally considered to be the hardest one? The answer is D, axel. What is the factor of the polynomial x61 that has a coefficient of -1 for the term x4? The answer is B, x1 x3 plus 1. Who was the first U.S. president to be named Man or Person of the Year by Time magazine? The answer is A, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Neutrophils and lymphocytes are examples of what type of cell? The answer is D, white blood cell. Which of these is the largest species of penguins? The answer is D, emperor penguin. The Big Dipper is a part of which constellation? The answer is B, Ursa Major. The sun and many other light sources produce waves that are randomly this. The answer is C, polarized. Which country is home to the Amazon rainforest? The answer is C, Colombia. I can explore the deepest ocean or climb the highest mountain without leaving my chair. What am I? The answer is C. Movie. In Metroid Prime 3, Corruption, Samus fights Meta Ridley while falling down which of the following? The answer is A. Generator shaft. Which question can be answered through scientific investigation? The answer is A. How does solar energy affect cloud formation? In what country was composer and pianist Frédéric Chopin born? The answer is B. Poland. What year did Monsters, Inc. come out in the movie theaters in the United States? The answer is C. 2001. What is the first book of the Chronicles of Narnia? The answer is C. The Voyage of the Dawn Treader. What is nosology, the study of? The answer is D. Disease classification. Shavo Odadjian, famous as the bassist of System of a Down, was born in what year? The answer is C. 1974. What is used for hanging pictures on the wall? The answer is A. Stapler. I make things expensive, yet worthless. What am I? The answer is C. Marketer. If two lines are perpendicular, what can you say about the product of their slopes? The answer is D. The product is undefined. Which household item can you find in a bathroom?